An industrial drill press is a robust and versatile tool designed to handle heavy-duty drilling tasks with precision and ease. Unlike handheld drills, a drill press is stationary, allowing for greater control over the drilling process. Its core feature is the vertically mounted spindle that holds the drill bit, which moves up and down as needed. With a sturdy base and adjustable table, users can secure materials, such as metal, wood, or plastic, underneath the bit for consistent, repeatable holes at precise angles. The machine offers variable speed settings, letting you adjust the rotation depending on the material's hardness and the hole size required. This precision is essential for industrial applications like metalworking, fabrication, and engineering projects that demand accuracy in even the toughest materials. What makes an industrial drill press fun to use is its combination of power and finesse. It's like having the strength of a construction tool with the delicacy of a surgeon's instrument. Many models feature laser guides, depth stops, and even digital readouts, making it easy to fine-tune your work. The ability to create perfectly drilled holes at precise depths, angles, and sizes transforms complex projects into achievable tasks. Whether you're boring through thick steel plates or making intricate designs in wood, an industrial drill press empowers you to tackle any job with confidence, making it a must-have tool for any serious builder, fabricator, or DIY enthusiast.